came with my sister-in-law. She is feeling 10 years knee problem. He cannot walk, cannot move, cannot lead normal life.
আমি অনেক দিন যাবত 10 বছর ধরে আজকে বাংলাদেশে ট্রিটমেন্ট করেছি, অনেক কষ্ট পেয়েছি, কিছুতে কিছু হচ্ছে না।
My cousin, Mrs. Khaleda Begum from Bangladesh, Chittagong, is a complaint 10 years for the knee, and suddenly, speaking one day, a knee problem, you come to the SPARSH Hospital. Then I connect to the international department team and Dr. Soumya and Dr. Chandrashekara C M, Department Orthopaedic Chief. In the night time also, either reply.
The name is SPARSH Hospital, Touch with Compassion. Really, it's a touch of compassion. I feel it because the doctor, the nurse, all the staffs are very cordial.
আর এখানকার ডক্টর, সিস্টার, নার্স যারা আছে সবার ব্যবহার খুবই ভালো বিহেভ করেছে আমাদের সাথে, খুবই ভালো লেগেছে আমার ওদের আন্তরিকতা।
Mrs. Khaleda Begum, 57 years old lady from Bangladesh. She came to me all the way from Bangladesh with significant knee pain, and I did see her in OPD, and she had significant limitation of her life because of knee pain. She had significant bend. She was not able to even to walk short distance, and she was taking on painkillers. And I've seen her and did a basic investigation. She was diagnosed to have a knee osteoarthritis, basically the wear of the knee joint. I advised her total knee replacement, and after that she underwent both knee replacement in a gap of 2 days time. She stayed here in the hospital for about 6-7 days. Following immediately after surgery, she had all the physiotherapy. We were able to mobilize her full weight bed walking.
আল্লাহর রহমতে আমার সার্জারি হয়েছে, আজকে সার্জারি হয়েছে, আমি নিজেকে সুস্থতা বোধ করছি।
Actually, Satisfy is very good for everything here. All of the staff, all of the doctors, and all of the facilities.
So this is an excellent outcome for someone who's with significant limitation of life. Knee replacement is very effective, especially in getting back to the normal life.